Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas after 2020, which I am explaining in my continuous videos, that there is a pattern forming and you have to understand this pattern, that what it pattern says after pandemic, that whenever hit its previous high, suppose this is the first high and it made a swing, moved upside, made a second high, okay, and whenever it hit its previous high, it makes a fall of 10, 20 to 50 to even 100% fall we have seen, and after that it formed a proper swing, moved upside, and then after making a new high, then it makes a sharp fall, and then again form a swing, move upside, made a, and this is being repeated for quite some time. Fifth time it is repeated, and sixth time would have been repeated, but because of the war situation and Fed was continuously increasing the rate, CPI data was there, and USD dollar getting strengthened. That is where the price of natural gas is moving with a huge volume and volatility. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, import and export imbalances also have been created because of the war. That is where the price of natural gas being very volatile. If you look at the previous chart also, before 2010 we have seen that this is where the volatility of natural gas was there when the recession has come in 2007 and 8. Okay, this is where the period from 2002 to a level of 2008 we have seen that the volatility was very high as of now what we have seen in the natural gas. Okay, now suppose if the price sustain, but before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. See, overall trend is downside, okay, and it is moving in a zone of $3 to a zone of $3, or $2 in a zone of $3. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, is trying to create a U pattern, and chances are very high that it can sustain and it can go towards a level of around $2.382. okay, and if that level move further high, it can cross a level of around $2.430, and chances are very high if this sustain, it can cross a level of $2.531. After sustaining 2.430, the level, once it crosses level of 2.5, which is already we already tested here, so chances of going further high will be there. Then we can see it can go towards a level of 2.759. okay, and that is also being tested here, so chances of crossing this particular level, and it can cross this zone, and a probability is there, we can see a level of $2.791, and once it sustain this level, chances of touching $3 will be there. And keep that in mind, if it sustain $3, then we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of around $3.370 to a level of $3.550. okay, and if the price sustain above this level, it can touch a level of around $3.9 to a level of $4.17. okay, and if the price sustain above 3.9, chances of touching $4.1 is there. okay, and if the price sustain above 4.1, then chances of touching 4.3 will be there. okay, 4.35, this is the gap which has to be filled, and probability that it can fill the gap if the price sustain this level. okay, now you have to understand something, that market will not move sharp up or fall till the time we have not seen a big news is coming. okay, it will only fall when there is a big news is there. How it moves, it goes upside, hold for some time, then it will go upside, same way it will come down, hold for some time, then it will come down. This is how it moves. okay, now you have to understand, always try to trail your SL. okay, that will save your profit as well as your capital. Very important note. okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, because chances can be high, because once it moved below this level, because you have to trail your SL, market is always uncertain, try to capture your profit, and the profit should not come or wipe out your profit. okay, that is very important. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards a level of $2.243 to a level of 2.214. suppose if the price fall below that particular zone, chances of touching a level of 2.113 is there. If the price fall below this particular zone, then we can see it can cross a level of around 2.071. 2.071 is already a weak support. So chances are very high it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of $1.990, and I've already told you the price fall below $2, it can go further low, and up chances of touching 1.874 is there after crossing this particular zone. If that level also move further down, then we can see a level of $1.786, and if the price fall below this level, it can touch a level of $1.651. Okay, and once the price fall below this level, it can go further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Chances of going further high is there. Till the time it is sustaining $2, we will say that it can go further up. Once it move below this level, chances of going further low will be on a higher side. It will come in the zone, and then we can see it can go further down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.